Okay, so the epoxy's down, the chips are down, everything's dry. We are in here scraping the chips off the floor now because there's a good probably 50 pounds, maybe 80 pounds of chips that are still on this floor that need to come off. There's a pile of them here. Tyler's got it about 3/4 of the way scraped. But we put these things on pretty thick, and you can see there's more than enough chips on here that are gonna get stuck. So this is a 100% coverage like I do all my floors. So he's scraping up all those loose chips, and we're getting it ready for our first coat of urethane. And we'll come back tomorrow morning and put our second coat of urethane back on. All right, so this fire station in Lake of the Ozarks down Horseshoe Bend off Bittersweet is complete. Joint lines have disappeared. Cracks have been repaired. The rectangular holes that were patched in right here where this bay is, they were directly over there, same spot, repaired. Everything's disappeared. Probably going back this direction, you're gonna see more shine, a little more glare, and you can't see the coloring of the chips going back this way. But the chips, it's called cashmere, and they're kind of like a baby blue, and maybe like a slate gray and white. And from certain angles, you'll see more gray, and then other angles, the way the light hits my phone camera, it's gonna look more bluish. Kind of back in here, it's a combination of both, so it's almost a little purplish, and then it starts to look more blue as we come towards the back side where the doors open. This is about 1,000 square feet. It's all finished up and ready to go. We didn't come out here and do any of this concrete because it's outside, so we just stopped right here where you can see that metal strip, and the garage doors fall just on the other side of that metal strip. So we got nice clean lines right here, brand new floor. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel if you like my work. Hit that thumbs up down below. Let me know that you do like it. And if you got any questions or just any kind of comments about the job, just leave them in the comment section below. And of course, there's a couple of links at the very top of the description here on YouTube under the video that go to my Facebook page and my website, so you can go check that out for more information. Other than that, we'll see you guys on the next project.